Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is VIGGY and ich mache Yiddish reviews. And thank you for being here. The heutige Video geht mein Reviewen für Maher Zain. Ich habe ihn schon getroffen a long time ago und ich habe sehr stark enjoyed seine Musik und ich habe gefigured, while ich mache Reviews, lass mich ihn zurückbringen. The Video hat über 125 million views. Let's get into it. The beat is ganz uplifting, but the tune is very smooth.
I was a foolish little child, crazy things I used to do, and all the pain I put you through.
That's his mama.
Now I'm here for you, for all the times I made you cry, the days I told you lies.
Just imagine, das ist jetzt geendigt waschen, in dreien, Wasserschied, in ein kleiner Ingel hat das gemacht schmutzig.
Now it's time for you to rise, for all the things you sacrificed. Oh, if I could turn back time, rewind, if I could make it undone.
Just by the way, der Schmeichel, also es hat gut nicht getan zu dem Kind, pretty admirable.
I swear that I would make it up to you. Mama, I'm grown up now, it's a brand new day. I'd like to put a smile on your face.
Was geht das hin?
Mama, I'm grown up now, and it's not too late. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Now I finally understand your famous line about a day I'd face in time, 'cause now I've got a child of mine, and even though
Gata Rosh Hashiva is actually just a weg, Schmelke Leifer. Vielleicht habe ich gesagt, man versteht nicht, dann Tata bis die West hat Tata. Sucht dieselbe Sache.
I was so bad, I've learned so much from you. Now I'm trying to do it too. Love my kid the way you do. Oh.
Isn't that a tiefer Wort? Ich will lieb um mein Kind, also wie Dios lieb gehabt dein Kind.
I could turn back time, rewind, if I could make it undone. I swear that I would make it up to you. Oh, if I could turn back time, rewind, if I could make it undone. I swear that I would make it up to you. Mama, I'm grown up now, it's a brand new day. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Mama, I'm grown up now, and it's not too late. I'd like to put a smile on your face
Every day.
You know you are the number one for me. You know you are the number one for me. You know you are.
Just by the way, watching the video, ich weiß, das ist nur ein Video, but ich will schon almost unrasen dem Kind.
The number one for me. Oh, oh, number one for me. You know you are the
number one for me.
You know you are the number one for me. You know you are the number one for me. Oh, oh, number one.
Wo sind mit den Boards? Halte schon für a gitte 2,5 Minuten in der Video.
There's no one in this world that can take your place. Oh, I'm sorry for ever taking you for granted. Ooh, I will use every chance I get to make you smile.
Die Mama ist alt geworden.
Right around you. Now I will try to love you like you love.
Ich habe lieb gehabt die Idee, sie kijkt auf den Zeiger, sie kijkt darauf. Jetzt will sie schon auch ein Kind, was macht Trouble. In den späteren Jahren.
Only God knows how much you mean to me. Oh, if I could turn back time, rewind, if I could make it undone, I swear that I would make it up to you. Mama, I'm grown up now. It's a
Ich weiß nicht, ob es sich wäre emotional.
I'd like to put a smile on your face
Every day.
Mama, I'm grown up now, and it's not too late. I'd like to put a smile on your face every day. Mama, I'm grown up now, it's a brand new day.
day.
The number one for me. The number one for me.
Er ist ein interessanter Weg von Wasen, den Lyrics. The last few videos, was ich habe reviewed, habe ich geredet von den Wegen, wieso Menschen wasen die Lyrics. So, das I guess, das ist schon 12 Jahre zurück, so, das ist schon 12 Jahre alt, so, by the time ich mache die Recording, so, darf geben Credit.
The number one for me. Oh,
Oh, number one for me. Das ist ein scheiner Nigen. Wow, ich weiß nicht, was ich bin geworden, so emotional in dem Nigen. But, was man nimmt heraus, wenn du ist, dein Kind macht Trouble, beruhig dich. Und, weil die Kinder doch Kinder, hat sich davon beruhigen. Und die ist sich banken noch die Zeiten, sie hat sich banken, hat sich banken, die ganze Eule hat sich banken. So just enjoy the minute und just mach Menschen smilen.